This is a machine film frame. Now we are uploading the film. It can be loaded automatically. The film roller begins to transmit and forward. Then will be cut into upper film and lower film.
One is for the upper film and another part is for the lower film.
This is a non-woven fabric roller. It will be cut into 8 lines. The width is 6 mm. The non-woven strips will be folded
Like this.
Here is the cutter device to cut the non-woven strips. Then insert the fabric into the bag. At the same time, it will be liquided.
After the cut, it adds liquid. This is its liquid pump. And it can make the liquid from here. It then add the liquid inside the package. This is the lower film, and it will be delivered like this. And the non-woven will be put inside. This is the upper film.
They are transmitted together.
This is the horizontal ceiling part.
And that is the vertical ceiling part. This is a dotted line and a solid line knife. It will cut the big package into small pieces.